Hey guys, it's Marie TV! And today we're going to be doing Moana's makeup. Subscribe down below if you like it. And give me a thumbs up. Let's get started to the video. So, I'm back, so keep on going. Let's go, guys.
So first we're going to do her eyebrows. We don't have the eyebrow tips, but if you have it, you can use it. But mascara is another way you can use it. So let's get started. She's looking really thick right now. Weird, right?
Looks like Maui's eyebrows.
Look like what?
Maui's.
Oh, yeah. And Moana too, because
Just the same eyebrows as him.
looks really terrible.
So we got the eyebrows done. So let's keep on doing more stuff. So next we are going to be doing the So we're going to the next thing now. So I hope you like it. So you're gonna need that. If you don't have it, if you have something similar, you can use that. So you want that under your eyebrows? No, Gabby. What's wrong? I said under. Oh my. I said under, not on top.
I'll let you do what you got.
Okay, now when you're done, you will need something to wipe it off. Yeah.
You should rub it with your fingers, because that's another way. Because if you really use a tissue, you can really.
Or you can if you have something better, like a squeeze thing for that, you can use that. Let's keep on going. We're gonna do this. Okay, we're gonna get the top of it. I'm not trying to get like that. I'm gonna try to get the bottom of it. Yeah, the bottom. Then you're gonna try to get the eyelids, the bottom of it. Okay. Okay. Then you wanna get that. Okay, and then after that. Okay, so you got the blush and stuff. So that's good. Now we're gonna move to the eyelid. Here's my eyelid stuff. If you see them a little better. You will like the tan one. See that? Alright, these two, one of these. One of these two. One of those two. Okay, when you're done you will look like this. Look like this. Okay, so let's go with the next thing. Okay, we're gonna need this mascara, medium poem. So you're gonna wanna get it nice. You wanna go to get it like this, and then go up blank while you're doing it. Got a mirror. You can look in the mirror while you're doing it. Very dangerous for little kids. If you need a grown-up to help you, you can have a grown-up. If you want a grown-up, you can have a grown-up. Thank you. Okay. So when you're done, the mascara, put it back. Okay, put the mascara back. So then, okay. Then, once you're done with the mascara, must be some more. I don't know. So let's go to your silent seas. So Okay, I look so cute right now. Like, I look better than I thought I was. So, like, I look so cute. Let's go, like, in the sunlight. Hey, how's it going? Okay, so, hey, okay. And this is my mom. And this is me. Hi. Okay, so we're gonna go backwards. Okay, we're back. So, I don't know what to do now. So, I'm not a timer girl. I like to do these stuff. So, like, bye, guys. I'm gonna blog out right now. You see me on the next page of my